How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new to the channel, how's it hanging? Today I want to show you all what I acquired on me and my wife's outing today. This here is a 1987 Traxxas Fiero GTP. Only reason I know that is because I had to Google it just to figure out what the hell it was. I've never seen a RC car like this at all, and I just thought that was like the coolest damn thing in the world. And the girl gave me a good deal on it at the yard sale, so I was like, hell yeah, why not? It does need some. It actually needs a lot of work. Not much though, because it does run. I did have the battery pack. There was just enough charge for me to get the wheels to turn, just a little bit, and then it croaked. But as you can see, these lovely soldering job here, I'm gonna redo that so it don't spark up or worse. It's also got two servos, the servo for the steering and a servo for the electronic. No, not electronic, man. That's not electronic. That is a manual speed control. I've never had a vehicle with manual speed control. I've always had the good ones. It came with the original controller, which is back there, as you can see. I'll show you that in a second. However, I took this cover off because the pinion gear wasn't bolted down or screwed down, tightened. So I tightened that up, and when I look back here, let me show you this. Let me take the wheel off here real quick. I'll show you guys. I want y'all to see this gear system. Check out that gear system, man. It's like the inside of a differential but with the spur gear attached. I've never seen something like that before in the RC cars or in real life. But that to me is like incredible. I've just never seen something like that. It's got the original it's the RS 540 motor, which I have no clue how many turns it is. I tried to Google it, didn't see shit. The front suspension, all there is two little springs like that on the front, on each side. Like I said, the original servos are in there. So yeah, this whole thing is just original. This antenna here is pretty damn sweet. It's just a metal antenna with a hook on the front. And the little cord for the antenna comes down and wraps around here, and then you tighten this damn thing up, and it stays there. Which that's new to me too. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this. I just thought it was pretty sweet, and I can't find too many videos or nothing on them. So also, it's got these E-clips in the front to hold on the wheels. And in the back, this little thing comes out. We'll just call that a stub axle. Looks like a jet for like a Briggs and Stratton motor, doesn't it? Focus that way. Anyway, yeah, it looks like a Briggs and Stratton jet. But there's a tiny little E-clip in there. I'm hoping this comes off so you can get to it, because if not, that's gonna be a pain in the dick to take off. But we'll see when the time comes if I ever had to do that. I probably shouldn't pull on that. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, but I'm going to do a complete cleaning on this thing and possibly a restoration series. So if that's something you all want to see, let me know in the comments. And I'll see what we can't get cracking on that. But yeah, I mean, that's just damn sweet. The chassis is actually fiberglass. I didn't realize that when I got it. I just thought it was some kind of weird plastic. But then upon further inspection, I realized that is actually fiberglass. So I'm going to be very careful with it when I clean it, because I don't want none of this to break, because once again, I'm going to, restore it, And this might be really difficult to find parts for. So I'm going to have my work cut out for me with there. But yeah. Oh, and the foams are the tires are foam. It's kind of like a weird foam. It feels like the texture of that. I don't know if y'all have ever gone to get blood work or anything like that done. They use that co-band around your arms instead of the tape to make it stop bleeding. But that's what that feels like. That's kind of strange. But the tires are in excellent condition too. There's bushings in there. I see the bushings in the wheels, but that's, I don't know, for 1987, that's pretty rad. So I'm definitely gonna have my work cut out for me cleaning and restoring this one. It's gonna be fun. I'm probably gonna use. I know damn well, not probably. I know damn well I'm gonna use a lot of Cow RC cleaner on this thing. That's my go-to cleaner, Cow RC. And here's the radio. Complete radio that was completely stock with this one. So, I mean, but check it out. Check it out. For 1987, still works. There's a dial down here. Not sure what that's for yet. Somebody who's, if someone watches this, the right person knows what it is. I'm pretty sure they'll chime in. I'm hoping. And then you got this here for the throttle trim, the steering trim. Oh, and up here, there's two little switches. Really not sure what theirs are for. So I'm not even gonna mess with them, unless I have to. And there's a weird little dial down here. So I'll try to do some more research and find out what the hell is that all about. But you know, it came with the crystals match, which is pretty sweet. The batteries are clean; they're not corroded and all that junk up in there. So, yeah. Oops, don't do that. But yeah. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this. If y'all want to see the cleaning of this, you know, I'll go ahead and make the video for you guys. Just like the little restoration, bring it back to life thing. So that's it. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I will see you soon with more monster truck videos. You'll see some of the Armored Gorgon coming soon. But for now, it's just going to be this one. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.